What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. This week I got in the Nike LD Waffle Sacai collaboration of the white nylon pair that released back on March 10th, but for some reason they released some more. I was given exclusive access to the black pair and this white pair. I went with the white pair and I was able to cop. So let's get into this review. So here you have it, guys. This is the pair right here. On these you have this collaboration from Sacai and Nike. The outsole is the waffle racer, and then this part, the extra outsole, I guess midsole, is from the LDV. So together both of these make the Nike LD Waffle Sacai. You got your laces. You got these weird looking laces here, and you got the real thin ones. The difference between these and the pairs that released back in 2019 is this was mesh on the other pairs. Here they made it nylon. It's a nylon all around, a white nylon. And you got your gray hair, your long hair suede. And the back heel counter, you also have it with the double swoosh. As you guys can see there, you got the double swoosh. You got your flat leather and then your suede in the back. Also has that over here for the mud guards wrapping around to the front. You got your leather on top, suede underneath. Same thing on this side with a swoosh. In the back, you have, it says Nike Sacai branding right there. See if you guys can see the Sacai part of it. It's blended in together, so it's kind of hard to see. On the tongue, you got your Nike Sportswear tongue, and since it's a double tongue, on the bottom of that, you have your Nike Sacai branding tongue. On the insole, you have Nike Sacai, just like that, size 12. You have your size tag on this side. Inside the shoe, so like a loose tag in there. But this is the all white pair. I went with the all white pair. Kind of regret not also getting the black pair because these are pretty dope. The only thing I would say is probably the liner. If you can't really wear any black socks or anything like that, you'll mess up this liner. This liner will look dingy. No dirty socks, no dark socks. Maybe just brand new white pair of Nike socks would do it. But this is a very chunky shoe. It's basically having two outsoles on the same sneaker, or two midsoles, I guess you could say, on the same sneaker. So it's gonna sit pretty high up. Same standard on this one. This is a continuation to the collaboration that they had in 2019 with Nike and Sacai, where they released those, I believe it's 5 colorways that everybody went crazy over. I was not able to cop any of those at retail, so I let them go by. But this is a pretty good pair. I really like this nylon touch that they put on these. On the outsole, forgot, it's got the US patent number for when they patented the waffle sole. Anyway, so if you guys like this video, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.